Hello everyone, this is Amit Goswami, consciousness researcher, quantum physicist, and a quantum activist. Mystics first enunciated the idea of oneness by simply having their experience of oneness. Can this oneness be experienced? Yes, I myself have experienced the oneness. And today there are many people who have experienced this oneness. So it's not that isolated an experience anyway. And then we have found that yes, quantum physics not only predicts that this is so, but also has led to verification of this idea that it is so. There is a domain of reality where unity prevails. And then when that unity splits, in that split second, the subject that we experience has flavor of that oneness. This is how we experience oneness. An intuition that there is oneness. Of course, as soon as you have the experience, the oneness is split, no doubt about it. This experience in Sanskrit is called samadhi. Subject and object arise together. In ordinary experience, we don't experience that oneness, and subject and object don't seem to arise together. Subject gets the precedence, or object, depending on how far deep you are into the illusion of separate reality. But in that experience of samadhi, the subject and object arise codependently, as the Buddhists pointed out some millennia ago. Can mystics experience the world as it is, like our experimental data is now revealing? Yes, they did, obviously. And this is the great progress in human civilization that is taking place now, because we are recognizing that mystical experiences can be theorized and experimentally verified. All metaphysics that is relevant is now experimental metaphysics. We don't need to do metaphysical speculations. We don't get lost in metaphysical speculations that cannot be verified. Such a metaphysical speculation, unfortunately, is followed by most scientists, scientific materialism, which has not only no experimental data verifying it, but also experimental data completely disproving it. As soon as you have knowledge that the Aspe experiment is valid and there is a domain of reality where oneness prevails, you have basically ruled out the veracity of scientific materialism. What can you do if people don't change their view of reality, even in the face of experimental data? What can you do when people don't change their reality in view of experiential data of the mystics? Previously, we talked about why mystics fail to communicate. It is because people fail to communicate. People fail to understand, accommodate the mystical experience because of their own paucity of experience, their own ignorance, to open up their minds that there are more things in heaven and earth that can exist in your experience. It's as simple as that. If we work hard, if we meditate, if we explore the creative process, everyone can experience the oneness of consciousness, oneness domain.